This fridge came with the house when we bought it. It's a little small for our family. And so my wife would like me to put our old fridge in this place. But it is a little too tall for the area, the opening. The decorative stuff at the bottom here is what's in the way. So I'm going to take it off, trim it down, and put it back up. That's my project. So it appears to be nailed and glued. Looks like we have like one nail there and one nail over here. So I'm going to take a hammer and a piece of wood, and I've already broke it loose up here. I'm going to see if I can break it loose a little bit more. I've already scribed the back of the line, or the back of the wood here with the scribe, so I know where my line is, where I want to cut it. Well, it came out pretty easily. There's two nails, so I need to use a little bit of glue on this side because it came apart. The trim came apart over here, but I'll do that after I cut it. So now I'm going to go outside, cut it on the table saw, and bring it back. Alright, so I got it cut. I just have it sitting back in place right now. All my glue is frozen, so I need to go buy some more glue. I'm not sure if glue is okay to use after it thaws out. I should say frozen glue is okay to use after it thaws out. But I have to go buy some more glue, and then I'll glue it on there and use a couple of brad nails and hold it in place. So I guess now it's time to get our old fridge in place. Well, there we go. Like I said, I still have to glue the piece up there. Oh, that's pretty dirty up there. It won't look. But I'll be putting the cast iron up there right now. That's where we've been storing the cast irons, on top of the fridge, because I haven't built a cast iron holder yet, which is next to my projects to do. So if you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.